What's up guys, I am here to explain LeetCode question number 2149, rearrange array elements by sign. So in this question what we have to do is, we are given an array with equal number of positive elements and negative elements, which means that the size of this array will be an even number, and our task is that we have to rearrange this array such that the relative arrangement of all the positives and all the negatives differently is in the same order. For example, here we have 3, 1 and 2. Okay, so the order in the arranged array will also be 3, 1 and 2. Same goes for the negative elements. It will be -2, -5 and 4. Same goes here, -2, -5 and 4. So we have to arrange the array in such a way. Okay, now how to achieve this? So for this we can use two pointer approach, where we manage two pointers. One will be pointing for the positive elements and the other will be pointing for the negative elements. So here one pointer will be pointed at this, just a minute, one pointer will be pointed here and the other will be pointed here, so that we can just systematically choose the elements which are positive and which are negative and then arrange them accordingly. So how are we going to approach this? Okay, initially we will traverse through this array nums, and if we find a positive element, we will just push it into the array where it should belong. For example, initially the positive element should be in the very first place, and then it should go to the third place, because for the second place there will be a negative element, which means that we have to increase the positive element by 2. So this is what we are going to do both for positive and for negative elements. If you haven't understood still, after I will be coding, you will be understood how the approach goes. Let's do here. Let's declare two pointers. Also in this question we have been said that the first element should be positive. Okay, this point number 3, the rearranged array begins with a positive integer. So let's first initiate the positive pointer, the pointer which points towards the positive indices will be starting from 0 and negative one will be starting from 1. And now let's declare another vector which will be our answer, and the size will be as equal to as nums, because we are just rearranging the elements, we are not removing or inserting the element into the array. So the size will be same. Okay, the size of the array will be nums.size, the vector will be answer, the size will be n. Okay, now let's begin our iteration. Okay, so first we need to ensure that both the indices stay within the limits, while POS is less than n and NEG is less than n. Or else what we can do is we can just iterate the array from start to end. Yes, we can do this. For auto, if the element is negative, what we can do is we can just insert that element into our array answer at the position at the pointer POS. So let's do it. Equals to I, and then we will increase POS by 2, because let's say this is our array where we have to insert our elements. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the array which is given to us is this. this is the given array. Okay, first we are here. We will see if 3 is positive or not. So we'll check. Yes, 3 is positive, so it should come here. Okay, initially POS is here and NEG is here. So we will see if 3 is positive. Yes, the first element is positive. We will insert 3 here and then move POS pointer towards here. Okay, well and good. But if the element comes out to be negative, okay, else. So we are just going to increase POS by 2. Okay, well and good. If the element is negative, so we will update the index at NEG. NEG plus equal to 2. Okay, cool. We are done. Okay, now we will check. Okay, let's dry run this code first. Okay, let's dry run this code. Our array is this. We have to type it 3 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 5 comma 2 comma minus 4. Okay, we are done. Now let's iterate through this array and just do a dry run. Okay, initially pos pointer is here and neg pointer is here. Okay, let's begin. First we check 3. Yes, 3 is positive, so we will just insert 3 in this line. So we have inserted 3 and pos plus equals to 2, so it comes here now. So it comes here. Okay, and pos is removed from me. Okay, well and good. Now we'll check for the next element 1. Okay, 1 is also positive, so we will insert 1 here and just update pos again towards here plus equals to 2. Okay, well and good. Now we see for the third element. Now the third element comes out to be negative. So what we will do is answer of neg, which is 1. So we will put it this here and just update neg here. It will neg is here and pos is here. Okay. Now for the next element we will see minus 5. Minus 5 is negative, so it will come where neg pos is. So minus 5 comes here and the pointer neg comes here. Well and good. For the next element 2 is positive, so where is our pointer pos is? It's here. Let's update this pointer. Okay, cool. Now for the next element minus 4 is negative, so what we'll do is we will update neg. If we will update the value where the pointer negative is, neg, it's minus 4. In this way we are preserving the relative order and also arranging them such that both of them are alternate, which means that all the consecutive elements are of different signs. Cool. Let's erase all this, and in the end we can just return our array. We can simply return our array. Now let's run this code and check if we have done any silly mistakes or not. Oh, we have done a very big mistake. If I is greater than 0, then we have to update positive in index, not for the negative. We did a blunder basically. Let's see again. It should work now. Yep, it does. And let's submit this code. There you go. Our solution got accepted. Now if you want to discuss time complexity, the time complexity will be linear because we are just iterating through the array once, and we are not doing anything, and we are not iterating the array and iterating again for each element, so that the time complexity is linear. Plus Space complexity is also linear because we are using an entirely new space, which is answer, to store our values. So time complexity is big of n, and space complexity is also big of n. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and share how it goes. Thanks, and see you with the next one. Peace.